Hello, I'm Fergus, and this episode I will be continuing the Jag XJC. I've got all the panels made, so I'm going to begin to fit them in and red oxide primer them before I fit them in, and then just go through as I put the bits in. So yeah, I've just got these doors all checked in the last clip. We went over them, and now I'm just gonna, well, it's fucking raining, but I'm gonna mix up some red oxide primer and spray all these. I'll do the fronts first, let them set off, and then flip them over, do the backs, and then I'll do the final door when I've got all the stands clear. So yeah, I'll show you once I've got these all done. I'm just using standard thinners and the red oxide. So yeah, this is the stuff that I'm using. I can try and leave a link for the eBay purchase for this, or I can't remember if I bought it through a firm, but yeah, it seems to be pretty good. It says used with specialist thinners, but these thinners seem to do quite well. Fast thinners seems to work much better, as it obviously allows the thinners to evaporate out of the paint much quicker and then set the paint. So yeah, I'm just gonna blow all the dust off quickly, and then mix up the paint, and then we'll get this all red and onto the car, like the bonnet, so then it's out of the way and we can begin to get sort of see the alignment of the panels without filler on. There's not too much difference with the edges of the doors, but yeah, it's just a good reference to start from again, and then begin the repairs on these doors, and then moving on to other bits of the car. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with these and see you in the next clip. So I've just got the backs of these all red oxide primered. There's a little bit of water in the gun, but that will all evaporate and it's not going to be too much of an issue. So yeah, just got around the main areas. There's a few little areas I could go over again, but on the whole they're pretty solid. So I'll flip them over, and then any little areas that I need to touch up whilst they're flipped over, I'll just go over again. Like there's a couple of like faded little bits like that, but other than that, they're pretty good and protected. So yeah, I've still got one more to do the back of, but I'm gonna do all these three, flip them over and paint them, and then yeah, do that last final one on its own. And then hopefully once these are all done, I can fit them to the car, and then we can begin to have a look at stuff and start repairs on these as well. It's cool. I'll see you in the next clip. So I've just finished red oxide primering these doors on the inside and the tops. I've still got one more to do, that is around the corner, but I just need to get these out of the way. I've not got enough stands. So yeah, these are all done. We're going to get onto the other door and then lean them up against the car and then begin to get them fitted to the car. Then we can have a look at the positions and the gaps and all that sort of stuff. Yeah. So I've just finished red oxide priming this, was it the driver's side rear door? So I've not tried to get much inside here, as I'm potentially going to be taking the skins off. So there's not, well, there is reason to do it, but I'd just be wasting paint potentially. So I've done the exterior, so it doesn't weather and get more rusty. So yeah, these are the other panels already. The boot lid, then the boot lid skin, and the bonnet is on. I might do the wings again, just in red oxide, but not today. And then it'll all look nice and uniform and smart. And then I will probably clean the backs of these hinges off, and then yeah, potentially clean these off or take the hinges off and give them a good clean. But yeah, that is going to be the sort of plan next. There's probably a little bit more paint I could have put on these, but it's protected enough. So yeah, we will, once I've decided what stage I'm going to do next, I'll obviously pop another video up. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.